This is my 2022 Tesla Model X long range, and you have seen some of the videos where I ended up putting some carbon fiber wrap on the spoiler, the plaid badge, as well as many PPF kits from Twraps such as this one. I did have to remove the door one because right now this door is full PPF, and I gotta say it was very easy to remove the PPF that I installed. And if you're not gonna get your falcon-wing door completely PPF'd, you want to get that just so you can protect your door from rock chips. I ended up protecting my headlights as well as the fog lights in the protection video. So now Twraps ended up sending me the taillight protection as well as the screen protectors for my Model X. So here's what the installation looks like. We've got the protection film on the taillights on this Model X. So this is a separate piece than this one, and they connect together. This is also one piece and then one piece here. You gotta try to line them up as perfect as possible. So that's what my install looks like. I'm not a professional at this. I'm just started doing these. And right over here, you can see that the charge port one is also protected. This one was a whole one piece. This was the easiest one to install. There's a bubble here that should disappear over time. If not, then might be some sort of dust underneath it, or I just have to poke a hole and take the moisture out. This is just the moisture. Here's what the other side looks like. I might have to push down these edges. So yeah, the taillights will be protected. Twraps does have many installation videos, so you can watch them to make sure you do a proper installation. But that's what my install turned out to look like. And this is just on the second day of installing, and it usually gets better and better once the protection film ends up adhering to the attached parts. There's also this badge remover kit that you can get, and that is to remove like badges in case you don't want it, or if you want to remove it and like black it out or put a different badge. So yeah, there's this badge remover, which is very high quality. It's actually metal. You get like spare strings with it. Pretty cool. Comes with this case as well. High quality product for sure. And here's what the screen protector looks like that I've installed on this Model X rear screen. I was looking forever to find a screen protector that was going to protect the rear screen. It was very difficult. Twraps sells individual ones just for the rear, or the best deal in my opinion is getting the front and the rear one. That right there is a different front screen protector. I think it's a Spigen one I installed when I just got the car. I don't really want to take it out when it's already doing its thing. I'll just keep the Twraps one as spare. This Spigen one has a easy to install kit thing that you put up on the screen, and then it has some steps to do it. I think that was not as easy to install, if I'm honest, than it was when I installed normal screen protector from Twraps onto the Model Y. This was also pretty expensive. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was really expensive for just that one piece. This is a really good deal to get the rear and the front. This is also like blacked out, these sides, so you won't see any of your fingerprints if you're trying to line it up and you end up accidentally touching it. So that was nice as well. Overall, I'm very happy with this. So if you guys are trying to get some accessories for your Tesla, I will highly recommend you to try out some of Twraps' products. They're very high quality. They come with the necessary installation kits. And if you use the code POGAuto, you will save 10% from your order. I don't get any commission if you end up using my code. I simply got these items for free so I could install them on our vehicles as well as review them for you guys. But I did have to pay like duty tax. So technically, I still paid money to take these items. Be sure to check it out. I'll have the link in the description. And thanks Twraps again for sending me these really cool accessories for our Teslas and being able to make them more personal and also protect them. See you guys next time.